The pretext of civilization started with the onset of human beings flaunting the garments and clothing in the day-to-day living. It all started with the man wearing leaves and barks, from which we later developed threads and yarn spun as garments. CR Garments have kept up with the pace and stay attuned to the evolving trends in the fashion industry. We, CR Garments, based out of Tirupur, the most reputed in southern India, is a vertically integrated composite factory of circular knitwear fashion apparel maker. Our in-house facilities like knitting, dyeing, printing, embroidery, sewing and washing are aiding us in providing an edge to produce finest apparels. 8 factories, which includes 5 sewing facilities, produce 5 million pieces per year. Employing a workforce of 2,000 men and women, we are a $35 million enterprise with 2 decades of experience. Knitting. Our in-house knitting factory has a capacity to make 12 tons of fabric per day. Dyeing. Our highly modernized dyeing mill is producing 14 tons of fabric per day across cotton, viscose, polyester, spandex and its blends. We proudly own the very latest Data Color Lab dispensers, which helps to produce close to 750 lab dips per day with an accuracy of Delta E0.5 in color matching, whereas in bulk dyeing, we use Germany's Thieus soft flow machines that handles a maximum of 2 tons of fabric in a single dye lot. This translates to approximately 10,000 pieces of garments in uniform shade. We use one of the world's best tinters, Bruckner from Germany. Also, we have received OEKO-TEX certification for our dyeing mill. Printing. Equipped appropriately to produce 26,000 pieces per day with automatic M&R machines, we can print up to 20 colors in one design. We also handle pigment, non-PVC, discharge, foil, flock, puff and combination of these prints too. Embroidery. Our embroidery capacity is close to 500,000 stitches per day. We have Tajima and Barudan with capability to handle sequence embroidery also. Nothing makes a garment classier than a perfect fit. Spread across 4 factories with a combined capacity of 5 million pieces per annum. With the most skilled manpower, decades of experience and use of technologies like Lectra, CAD in markers and use of machineries like the latest Juki and Pegasus in sewing is keeping us on the forefront of apparel production. Now, we produce graphic tees, polos, sweatshirts, hoodies, kids apparel, ladies dresses and much more in different fiber contents from cotton to polyester with special washes and finishes. Our in-house washing handles both fabric panels and garment, enzyme wash, stone wash, vintage wash or the few of variety of washes that we do here. While we focus on skill and technology to produce finest apparels, we also invest continuously in sustainability across all sectors from renewable energy to recycling. We give back as much as we take from nature. We employ biological pre-treatment methods which helps us in recycling of wastewater up to 100%. This gives us the privilege of being zero discharge mill. We can recover about 2 tons of salt per day from the effluent water and reuse. We also recover the thermal energy from used steam and wastewater, and by using as boiler feed water. We supply the pot of solid waste from effluent as feedstock for cement manufacturing, and in an effort to go clean and green and make us self-reliant in electricity consumption, we harvest solar energy to generate renewable electricity of more than 18 megawatt from our own solar farms. We consider our employees are the backbones of our business, and their hard work is the main secret for our enormous growth. We conduct recreational and co-curricular activities at regular intervals. Hard work and passion towards our work will always make us reach greater heights. As days pass by, we are attaining great heights, and we are still aspiring to attain greater heights in the near future. Honesty is our strength. Our pride is quality. Our biggest strengths are our customers and our vendors.